Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at Lagrange's theorem. So the theorem states that the order of a subgroup H is a factor of the order of the group G for any finite group G. So we're only going to really be looking at subgroups of finite groups at AS level. Now, this is quite a useful theorem to help us figure out subgroups. So let's try and make use of it. So what do we know about the subgroups of a group of order 5? Well, any possible subgroup will have an order that is a factor of 5. So that would be 1 or 5. Okay. And now a subgroup of order 1, this is just your identity on its own. And then a subgroup of order 5 for a group of order 5 is just going to be a group itself. Now, both of these subgroups are referred to as improper subgroups. So therefore, what we can conclude for an order of 5 is that there are no proper subgroups. And this will be the case for any group of a prime order because the only factors are 1 and itself. Now, what do we know about the subgroups of a group of order 4? Well, they're going to have an order that's a factor of 4. So that will be 1, 2, or 4. Now, of course, 1 is our identity, which is our improper subgroup. And then 4 is the group itself, which is once again improper. And I'm just using I to indicate that. Then if there is going to be a proper subgroup, it will be of order 2. Okay, so I'm just going to write a P here to indicate that. Now, it doesn't mean there's definitely going to be a subgroup of order 2. Okay, it just means if there is one, it will be of order 2. And we'll maybe be finding those in an upcoming video. Now, from Lagrange's theorem, it also follows that the order of each element of a group is a factor of the order of G. Okay, we have discussed this in a previous video. And then some of the bits that I discussed above, okay, if the group has a prime order, then there are no proper subgroups. We saw that for an order of 5. And also, if a group has a prime order, then each element, apart from the identity, will have an order of P, that prime number as well, which sort of links heavily to I. Okay, we also discussed that in a previous video, especially relevant when you're thinking about cyclic groups as well. So Lagrange's theorem is officially on the A-level syllabus and not on the AS1. However, it's going to be very useful to finding subgroups, which you do need to be able to do at AS level. That is why I'm going for it now.